Hey team, in this video we will be analyzing and forecasting the market for gold from a technical and fundamental perspective from 17 till 18 September. So let's begin. Coming on the fundamental perspective, that we have seen that the dollar have gained strength, due to which we have seen in breakout downwards from this support trend line from some around 1955. Now what potentially we can see is that we can see that the gold is now currently forming a support zone, and moreover we can spot a divergence on an hourly chart for the gold as the market is making an higher low from some around 1924 till some around 1936. However, the indicator is not making an higher low. Instead, that indicator is making a lower low, which is a lower low, which suggests that we are currently expecting or currently seeing a divergence, which is an hidden bullish divergence, which this theory of hidden bullish divergence suggests that the prevailing trend which we are currently expecting in the market would be recently be over in the coming time, and we can see the last trend which the market have left can be continued. Thus the last trend was the bullish trend. Current prevailing trend is a bearish trend, which tell us that according to this divergence theory of hidden bullish divergence is that we can further see the continuation of this bullish momentum which we have seen in the market since last year. Now coming on a short recap, here we have given a signal to go long. If we see a close of above this resistance zone, we did see that the market did fake breakout upwards. However, we didn't see that the market did close. Moreover, we have given a signal to go long some around here 1953, and our stop losses were placed some around 1947. Our stop losses have hit, unfortunately. However, we have also given a signal to go short after 1948 to 1940, in a range of 1948 to 1940 with a take profit of this support zone. Let me highlight that this support zone is in blue color. Some around here. Now going on to the past, if we extend this particular zone which we have drawn, here what we can analyze is that this zone is in very strong or a major support or a major resistance zone. Since some around 2nd September, we did see that the market did retest from this particular zone. Then some around on 13th September, on 14th September, then on 7th September, then on 8th September, we did see that this particular zone, which is in range of some around 1940 till some around 1938, did act as a resistance zone. Now coming on to the support zone from some around 11 September, 11 September again in 13, 14 September, we did see this zone has acted as a support zone. Now what currently we can see is that the market is currently taking in support on this particular support zone. And what are the trading opportunities is that we are again neutral for the market for the gold, and we can expect both momentum entering in the market, either bullish or either bearish. Now coming on the bearish scenario, if we did see that the bearish momentum entering in the market, and if we did see that the market did close below some around 1936, that would be a signal to go short or a retest or a direct short can be triggered. The entry trigger point would be somewhere around 1935. Do keep in mind, we will only go short if we see a break through of this particular support zone and the market closing below 1934 till 1930. Our entry trigger point would be 1935, with our stop losses would be just placed above the support zone somewhere around 1942, and our take profit would be placed some around 1926. This trade will give an extra reward of approx 1 ratio 1.39. Now coming on the reason why we have placed our take profit some around 26, as in the past, we can see that the market was choppy in a range of somewhere around 1928 till somewhere around 1920, which means that here we can see some resistance, and we can see that the market can turn its resistance, turn its momentum after testing this particular area, and we can see a bullish momentum entering in the market. So that's set for the short. Now coming on the bullish scenario, we would be triggering long position on a current retest, as the market is retesting some around 1940 to 1944. That would be a great area to go along with our take profit of 1954. Let me highlight that. Our long would be on a retest towards the support, as we can see currently the market is doing, would be on some around 1941 with our take profit of some around this range. Our stop loss would be just placed below the support trend line some around 1935. Why we have placed our take profit some around 1949 is due to the fact that in the past here we can see that the market has as this range of some around 1949 till some around 1942 has acted as in both resistance and support. Thus this suggests that this some around when the market retested towards this range, we can see that the market could experience some resistance, and we can see that the bearish momentum can enter in the market. If you are new to the channel, so do consider subscribing. If you like the video, do like, share and comment below. Thanks for watching.